Blocked chakras affect physical and mental well-being. In a healthy body, life force energy, known to Indian and Chinese cultures as prana or chi, flows to all parts of the body without obstruction. It is only when an organ is no longer supplied with such sufficient energy that illness arises. This happens when respected chakra centers associated with that organ is blocked. Your mind-body connection works best when your energy channels are open. Blockages in your energy can be a result of poor mental and physical well-being. Mental blocks have a range of causes, including emotional stress, stored feeling, or other issues such as anxiety, depression, or addiction. Physical blockages can be a result of poor dietary choices, lack of exercise, overexertion, and lifestyle choices such as overwork, recreational drugs, or lack of sleep. Negative attitudes can also influence your energy flow and create blockages in your chakra points. If you act out in a selfish, self-centered way, you will force such negative behaviors to enter your chakra system as burdens. These negative thoughts overshadow your consciousness centers and prevent your energy from flowing freely to the places that need it. If you are having recurring problems with a particular part of your body, such as aches, pains, or stiffness, its associated chakra is more likely blocked. It is important to learn as much as you can about each chakra and look into what it represents so that you can watch out for signs of imbalance. You can find out more about this later in the series. If you'd like to listen to the full series uninterrupted, there are audio versions and ebooks available in the link below. So please visit our website at www.innerpreservation.com. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.